all your buddies that want you to take them out in the boat, make them come over and help you polish the boat. Having 4 guys here to help me has helped out a lot and made this whole job go a lot faster. And as you can tell, just from the compounding and polishing steps, the gel coat is looking amazing. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to apply the captain's boat coating. Now, to do this, there's an extra step involved that you normally don't got to do with the wax or a synthetic sealant. And that is, you've got to chemically strip the gel coat. What you're going to do is you're going to take the Marine 31 gel coat prep spray and some clean microfiber towels, and you're going to take and you're going to wipe down every square inch of that gel coat. And what that's going to do is it's going to remove any trace residues of the polish or compound residue. And this is important because in order for the coating to make a proper bond, it has to be oil free. So a lot of times you want to go over this once, maybe even go around the boat a second time to make sure it's completely clean. And then you can go ahead and apply the coating. The way you apply the captain's boat coating is just kind of like a wax or a sealant. Take a clean foam applicator pad, simply apply a little to a foam applicator pad, and then just use a back and forth pattern and an up and down pattern. The pattern you make isn't so important. What it is uniform coverage. You want to make sure you get coating over each square inch, and then there's no waiting time. So after you apply it, simply wipe off any excess and then move on to the next section, just like that. And what this is going to do is this going to make a semi-permanent bond to the gel coat. It's going to seal it. It's going to last a lot longer than a wax or sealant. It's going to give it a glassy look. It's going to shed water, so it's going to have a self-cleaning effect, and it's going to be a lot faster to wash and dry. It's going to basically keep your boat looking new longer. The captain's coating from Marine 31, it's really the way to go for long-term protection. So let's go ahead and jump in here and get this thing wiped down and coated.